Hey everyone, welcome back to Feixeions. Today we are diving into the exciting world of the KiiChain Airdrop. You can use it on any device you have. For mobile user, instant message browser on your device, then complete step-by-step process. In this video, we'll explain step-by-step process to join, earn and maximize your reward. Whether you are new to testnet or a session airdrop hunter, this tutorial will give you all the steps you need. All important links you can find in the Telegram post and description below. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel for real-time updates. So let's begin. KiiChain is a next-generation blockchain platform built to serve emerging market Ethereum capability with a Cosmos-based architecture. Right now, they are running an ongoing testnet program called the Oro Testnet that retroactively rewards early user with free key token. Instead of a one-time event, this airdrop operates continuously. Every transaction you make, every contract you deploy, and every feature you test on the network earns your points toward eventually token distribution. The goal is simple: help the team trace the network, discover bugs, and provide feedback, and in return you get to share in the token rewards once the mainnet launch. Behind the scenes, Key Global, the company building KiiChain, raised 20 million from Nimbus Capital in early 25, and they have already tokenized over 6 billion in real-world assets on their testnet. With more than 1 lakh users actively participating, they have announced a future IDO to raise an additional $1 lakh in the ECB launchpad that is still to be announced, and they plan to list Kai token on their own hybrid exchange KaiX plus other major platform down the line. The total token supply is 1.8 billion Kai, with about 180 million currently calculating in the testnet environment and early incentives. Okay, here is exactly how you join and start earnings on the Oro testnet. First, head over the official testnet portal link in the description and Telegram post. Next, find your Ethereum-compatible wallet. MetaMask works great. Once your wallet is connected, you need to connect your email address and Twitter account. This initial setup instantly grants your first batch of coins, usually around 25 key points and a couple of Oro points. After you are set up, claim any free testnet token by the joining their Discord channel and complete all the tasks one by one here to participate on the testnet airdrop. Here you can see two types of mission, like one-time or weekly tasks. You must follow their instruction and complete all the tasks to earn points. To boost your earning potential, trackly every new task as soon as it's announced. Early participation often means more points. Use and share your referral link to get extra reward when your friends sign up. Stay active in the official Discord and Telegram channel where sometimes new quests pop up. Complete this quest as soon as possible. Eligibility is straightforward. If you have an Ethereum compatible wallet and you complete tasks on the Oro testnet portal, you qualify. There's no minimum holding requirement or regional restriction, just active participation. The more tasks you do, the higher you tier and the larger your share of the airdrop when they take a final snapshot for the mainnet launch. Or it might be a scam. KiiChain is backed by real VC funding, has a clear public roadmap. This approach mirrors other successful testnet airdrop like Arbitrum and Optimism, where early users rewarded after mainnet launch. Alright, that's everything you need to know to join KiiChain Airdrop. Earn as many points as possible and stay safe from scam. If you found this tutorial helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to Feixeions more crypto related projects, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future crypto earnings opportunity. Check the video description for all the links. In the meantime, keep earning those points and inviting friends. Let us know in the comment if you have questions about KiiChain projects or other crypto earning tips. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep supporting us. See you next time. Goodbye.